and someone strongly believe in Allah, so Allah personally help him, and but the reason is the belief is most strong. The reason is the belief is most strong. Your belief is not strong to the Allah, so Allah will you help, but Allah will you not help like this. So the message of the someone peoples are not uh, taking the jobs and not going to the jobs and not going to the any work, but may Allah protect him, and may Allah giving him to the halal risk. So it's a most important thing for a may uh, your belief is first. Your belief is first in Allah, and your belief is like most strong in Allah. So it's a belief. Your habit, change your habits, and leave just leave your bad thinkings and your bad habits. Thank you so much.